Hi, I'm Ruben Maharana and I work as an associate consultant at EMC.
Can you describe to us EMC in your own words?
EMC is primarily a storage-based company. It is based in US. In India, it has its sectors in Bangalore and Pune. Now EMC works in a collaboration with certain companies such as RSA, Pivotal, and VMware. So these companies collaborate and give end-to-end solutions. As in EMC provides storage and virtualization and cloud is handled by VMware, and cloud applications, all that is handled by Pivotal, and the security aspect is handled by RSA. So in collaboration, you'll be working with all these teams together to find an end-to-end solution to various problems in the business.
How can we see the presence of EMC in day-to-day things around us?
So day to day, actually you won't see much because it's purely a business to business and enterprise. But then to give an example, just like that, if you've seen the Avengers movie, in that while Tony Stark is working in his lab, you can see the huge EMC server and storage boxes right at the center.
How is EMC better than its competition?
According to GreatPlaceToWork.in, it is the sixth best IT company to work in the world. So we are practically the sixth best place in the world to work at, and definitely it is one of the market leaders in storage and server space.
What are the technologies that EMC is working on currently?
Okay, currently, so for the languages, it will be Python and Java. That will be basically those two, and it also works in like cloud applications. So they deploy certain cloud applications, um, and storage-wise, the proprietary storage software and all are used, and databases, as in we use the relational databases as well as the NoSQL databases as in MongoDB and Cassandra. Um, so apart from that, the analytics and all that will be done using your Python and your R, and you also have certain amount of data mining. Apart from that, there's also a visualization group which does visualization in D3.js and Tableau. So, like for specific, I would tell there's some client for which it is also doing an IoT use case where the data from various sensors are accumulated, and there's analytics done to actually help them optimize their resources. So that way, there's analytics, storage, and there's it.
Ruben, describe to us the kind of exposure that you have got outside of your work routine working at EMC.
Okay, so the fun activities would be going for trekking or going to resort every quarter. So these quarterly meets keep happening. You go out to places and enjoy. And apart from that, you have various opportunities to show your talent, as in these talent shows, the EMC annual day, the employee day, and also apart from that, the technical conferences, WebEx sessions keep taking place. You can always attend them, and you're advised to attend them. Like your manager, very casual about it. You can go and attend it. And apart from that, there are many CSR activities as well. As in, we went for a tree plantation drive to the Kerpuram train shed and planted around 800 saplings. Then there is another school adoption program where you go to the schools in the outskirts and spend a day and teach these kids about English grammar and stuff like that. So that's all.
In what ways does EMC interact with college students who are presently in college?
EMC gives internship opportunities to students that you can access through the EMC portal, and also the educational services at EMC provides certain courses to students so that they can identify their areas of interest and pursue their career in the same path.
Ruben, how have you found the work culture and the work environment at EMC?
Work hours, it would be like any 9 to 5 work, but the timings are very flexible. As in, if you finish the work early, you can just leave early, and there are no specific timings which you have to be there in the office. They just expect you to get the work done. and there's no pressure as such. They give you ample opportunities to learn whatever you want in your own time, as long as you get the work done. And just during the project deadlines, maybe depending on your work, there might be a little bit pressure, but that's like any other office. And the relationships with your managers, mentors. So one thing they do is they assign mentors. So these guys are like your buddies whom you can contact for any work. And managers and the higher managers, they just sit next to you. It's like there are no cubicles, so you can approach anyone at any time. You don't have to take an appointment for anything. And so it's like a college environment basically. You can talk to anyone possible about anything. The work environment is pretty great. There are two buildings basically. So the ground floor starts with a huge gym, which is accessible every like 6 days of the week, 24 hours. And then every alternate floor has a recreation pantry. These pantries are special as in you can hold your birthday events and musical events. Also, it hosts a snooker table. Every recreation pantry hosts a snooker table, a foosball table, carom boards, and lots of food actually. And also, every topmost floor of every building has a cafeteria, your canteen, so that serves a wide variety of food. We also have a basketball court where occasionally there are tournaments happening, and every month we have football and cricket tournaments happening. Also, music and dance events keep happening throughout the year.